Many people have heard their parents say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and they were not wrong. And this especially holds true for kids and teens because when they are skipping breakfast, they are unlikely to make up for the nutrients that they missed out on early in the morning. And that is especially concerning because a lot of those nutrients that we are getting at breakfast time are just essential for kids' proper growth and development. And adults especially need to get proper nutrition in the morning to help prevent that hangriness, brain fog, hunger pangs. So it's essential for everybody to get in proper nutrition. So Carnation Breakfast Essentials, they have now collaborated with some iconic brands that we have all known and loved for years. Golden Grams, Cinnabon Cinnamon Roll, Kellogg's Froot Loops, Frosted Flakes, Crave. They all contain the same protein, vitamins, and minerals as the classic Carnation Breakfast Essentials, just with some extra variety when it comes to flavor options. So for example, in one bottle, you are getting 10 grams of high quality protein, which is the same as what you would get if you ate 2 small eggs. And you are getting the same amount of vitamin D as what you would get if you drank 2 entire 8 fluid ounces of milk. So to help get breakfast flowing a little easier, one thing you can explore is making a family-friendly breakfast-style charcuterie board. You could prep it the night before so you don't have to deal with it during the breakfast rush. As long as you have some fruits, some whole grains, and some protein on there, you are good to go. Put it out. Let everybody pick and choose what they want. No matter what they're picking, you know it's nutritious. Pair it with a Carnation Breakfast Essentials, and you are starting your day off on the right foot. So you can get more information on carnationbreakfastessentials.com.